You got the carbon filter, more carbon filter, regular oil filters here. So what a carbon filter does is actually captures the oil and the odor and the oil particles. The only thing about carbon filters is you cannot clean them. They have to be replaced about every 6 months. So that's a bad thing about carbon filter. But it does help reduce the odor and smell. And these are your regular filter. You actually can clean these in the dishwasher. Okay. But your carbon filter, you cannot clean them. So something to think about. They just slide right in here, pop on like that, just like that. See that? And you take your other one right here. And you got, you see this part, this spring part goes in back here. Just push on just like that. Again, this microwave has 2 of them. They do sell a model that has 500 CFM, I believe. A little bit stronger. So you want something a little bit stronger, you can up the model a little bit. Again, the spring goes in the back, just like that. Push back, pop, bam. Look how nice and clean that is. And we have some covers here, and this is for when, if you ever decide to turn your microwave exhaust into actually a 90 or straight up exhaust, because right now it's blowing out this way. If you turn on the fan, you can feel the air coming up straight out here. So if you ever rig it where you turn it down a little bit, you ever change it and rig it to the exhaust to come out from that back and up, you have to open it in the back and take out and rotate the fan or something like that. If I ever have to do that, I'll of course make a video for you guys. But when you do that, these are the cover for it that you need to put on top of here to cover up the holes, okay, so that it doesn't blow out. Okay. How to install your Samsung microwave air filter here. This is your carbon filter. You just want to make sure when you install this, the black side goes up and the screen side facing down. You just got to slide that all the way in and pull forward just like that, okay? Make sure it's all covered up. Then you take your regular steel filter and you want to take this spring part here up against the back. Just push that against the back, push that back, and then pops right in. That's all to it, really easy.